Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, we only using one account. Most people have multiple accounts of My Lead Gen Secrets, but we only using one because you guys are starting, you're trying it out, see how it works before you really take off with it. And that's what I'm showing you results of what I'm getting when I only use one account. So anyway, guys, if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Let's get started. All right, so first off, what I want to do is speak on why I like promoting the $25 business, and essentially it's because of a affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income, which is higher than any other program I ever seen or ever heard. It means you get paid every single month 80% of your sale, and that's just the highest on scene, period. All right, so anyway, guys, let's look at our results here. We're going to refresh the page to show real results. Make sure you guys understand the real results. All right, guys, it looks like I did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, not a big deal. It's whatever. Sometimes that happens, you know what I mean? But yeah, it's working out as well as intended. I'm making a ton of money. Like I stated before, I made about $5,000 doing this. Very simple process and very limited thing. This 5-minute thing you can do every morning, or even shorter than that. Making a lot of money doing it. Pretty crazy. So this is what we're gonna do. All right, guys, I'm gonna go to show you guys exactly how to start this up. All right, so first off, we gotta do is get to the affiliate link here. We gotta get an affiliate link, and the first thing you need to do is go to my page here, click on one of my videos here. If you watching this video, so it's in the description here. It's in the description here, and what you want to do is get step one. You see step one, all-in-one $25 business. You click on that, it's going to take you to this page here. But this page here is the sales page of the $25 business. Tell you how much money you can make and stuff. You can look up all the information if you want and all that good stuff. And when you decide you want to try this out, give it a shot, click on yes I want in. Once you click on yes I want in, it will take you to this page here where you can sign up and purchase the product for the $25 business. I recommend clicking on this. What this is HBA Premium, which totally a lot about traffic and stuff on different websites and whatever. You also get a content machine where you can ask it to give you certain things like give me a caption for Twitch, a post for YouTube, or make an article, anything like that. You can ask it stuff like that, and yeah. But this is the main reason why you want to get the HBA Premium, because you have to own the product to get the commission, so to speak. So for example, if you were to come through here and do not get the premium, right, and just pay the $25, and you get somebody else in the system, they decide they want the premium, they want to try premium out as well, right? And then and premium is $125. All right, guys, not 25. It's $125 after 14 days. So they decide to get premium. When they pay that $125, you will not get that $100 because you don't have this product as well. All right, guys. So get both. Make sure to get it. All right. It'll really escalate how much money you can make. All right. So that's that. So what you want to do after that, once you get your account and all that, you're going to get to a page and they're going to tell you try to log into your system here. It's very simple here. This page, it looks something like this. And once you get to this page, you click on the affiliate zone. You click on the affiliate zone here. And this right here is the Home Business Academy. Oh, by the way, this video is explaining all of this, guys. So once you click on the affiliate zone here, all right, you want to sign up for the affiliate program here. So what you want to do is you'll get to this page here. Very simple information: first name, last name, email, password, boom. And you make your account, boom. And then once you do that, you're gonna log into the SAM card. It's gonna take you to this page here. Now you on this page here, you just scroll down and you click on this link here, the all-in-one $25 sales letter. This is the one I've been using. It's been working well for me, and I think it'll work well for you too. So that's all it takes, and that's all there is to getting your affiliate link. All right, guys. So once you do that, what you want to do is come back to the video here, and you'll see step 2, join My Lead Gen Secrets. You click on that link, it's going to take you to this page here. And what this page here is about my lead gen secret. It's gonna tell you exactly what it's about. But TLDR, all it is, you get 100 leads every single day that you can mail once per day. You can mail them once per day. 100 leads you can mail once per day. All right, guys, you understand? You understand what I'm saying here? 100 leads that you can mail once per day. All right, so since you can do that, all you really need to do here is log in here. By the way, these leads are very interested in making money online, so it's our product is perfect for promoting on this system here. So we're just gonna log in real quick, get on into it. I'm gonna log in real fast. I'm gonna go to my leads. I'm gonna go to mailing system. That's what you want to go to, the mailing system here. So let me check. Okay, we're gonna go to the mailing system. Click on that. Look this up. Oh, this ain't this email I sent yesterday. I'm sorry. We're gonna go to our next email here that we're gonna send. Oh, it's making my money in the first week. All right, so we're gonna just go back to. We're gonna go with we're just gonna load up this email here for me. All right, I got some videos and stuff in there proving. If you want to copy this, it's pretty simple. Don't worry about the pictures. That's just like extra work. You don't need to do that, but you just copy this email here. It's a very simple email. Boom, boom, boom. Email. You put your link right there, guys. So it's very easy to get emails here. So what you want to do is click on, once you get your email in there, once you copy this email in there, click on perfect time and it'll send an email around time people check emails. And you click on preview to make sure the link works. Boom. My link does work, guys. So all there is to it. So we're gonna send an email. That's all there is to it, guys. We're done. Now we're at the end. It's a very simple process, like I stated before. You see how easy it is. You can do this very quickly in the morning and really start elevating the amount of money you can make. So anyway, guys, if you're interested, like I stated before, the links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.